is Robert Beck, and this is my week one discussion for ITL 604. This is my revised lesson plan for Common Core Standard 6 in S3. Add, subtract, multiply, and divide multi-digit decimals to the hundreds. In this lesson, I will build upon my students' prior knowledge of grocery shopping, money management, and basic arithmetic. Real-world connection. I would start by sharing a story about a recent grocery trip, highlighting the importance of budgeting and decimal calculating. After my story, I would ask students to share their experiences with shopping or ordering food and calculating the cost. Then I would discuss strategies for adding and subtracting decimals, including using place value and manipulatives. Then I would introduce the rules and procedures for our first activity, which would be the grocery store game. The grocery store game, I would divide the class into groups and assign each group a category of items, for example, produce, dairy, snacks, etc. Then I would have the students research the prices from a local grocery store and create price tags for their items. The students would then be given a set budget to choose items from the store and calculate their total cost. After each group has completed the task, we will move on to the second activity for the lesson. The second activity would be the My Favorite Meal activity. I would have them create a menu for their favorite meal and encourage them to choose items creatively and make sure they choose various items. Then using their research prices, they would calculate the total cost of their meal. When they were finished, I would randomly choose 2 to 3 students to share with the class. To build upon that, I would briefly touch on further real-world examples, such as adding sales tax and including discounts. Then I would debrief by recapping the main points of the lesson and, of course, including a check for understanding. Finally, I would thank the students for participating and encourage them to continue practicing. Then wrap up the lesson by having them write or verbally share a short reflection about their understanding in order to help identify areas of improvement. Thank you.